Welcome to Ni Hao Nature, Corn Maze Edition. Not that way. Not that way. I'm lost. When you're lost in the maze, don't worry. You can use the corn that you find from the maze to show you the way out. You just throw it somewhere and you go that way. You ready? Look, I got a grasshopper. See what you can do? They'll help you find the way out, because nature is in everything. Watch. That way. He lied. I can see one of the children of the corn that everyone talks about. Let's see if we can make some contact with him without disturbing him. All right, let's go. Shh. Nature, it can be hard to communicate with the outside world. Because with me, you'll never get lost because I can talk to nature. Hey Jesse, isn't that right? Jesse? It's a nature video. We shouldn't have cellular connection. Hi, it's an important. Can I call you back? All right. Sorry about that. What?
So maybe this is a circle too.
Yes, we already went down both those paths.
I'm a macho man. When I'm in nature, I don't take anyone for granted. If you're coming at me, you better watch your way, because I'll take care of you. Bro! I'm sorry. Are you a stalker?
Well, that was just bad.
Would you say that was corny?
You know what? Just stop it right now.
Or would you say that was eerie?
I'm about to leave.
That was amazing. Amazing. Oh, wait, dude, come on. Dude. Guys, you see that? Yes! Yes, we did it! It's been like 78 days.
Bro, it's only like 15 minutes, but alright.
Thanks for watching Ni Hao Nature, Corn Maze Edition.